Okay, we will keep quiet. Oo pala, no noisy. We're gonna keep quiet. Let's keep quiet! We are not gonna shout when we're having a conversation. Like and subscribe. Oh, see. We're gonna keep quiet. Wait, why is she entering the exit? Don't know why she's entering the exit. I don't know why the pillagers doing that. Answer my question. Did you said villager or pillager? I said pillager. P. No, actually, yes, you said P. Say Chi instead of G. Nope. No, that's not C. It's G. Hey, did the fries just appear there? Or did the fries appear there? Why did you said oh? Because I'm just having a conversation with loud things.
Oh, that's not illegal. That's quiet time. That's so good. Whispers.
And that guy's pressing too hard because it made this sound.
Quiet. No, no, see.
Kapalache.
No, no, see.